As you approach this Crestwood floor plan, you can't help but stop and gaze at the custom stone and brick masonry and custom cedar accents. Once you step through the custom front door, you will be surprised by the spacious formal dining and the private study. With more than 4,300 square feet and 6 bedrooms with 4 baths, you'll have all the space you will need to suit your family. Make your way past the signature curved staircase and take notice of the high soaring ceilings and make your way through the family room. You can't help but notice the warm stone fireplace which flows right into a gourmet kitchen that comes well equipped with everything you could need to create the perfect meal for any occasion. Including granite countertops, a huge center island, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave and double ovens, and a butler's pantry. Just off the family room, you'll find an impressive owner's suite that flows into the relaxing master bath that features quality amenities, including a relaxing garden tub, a large walk-in shower, dual vanities with granite countertops. As you make your way to the top of the staircase, you'll find a large game room, perfect for playing games with the family, and 4 additional bedrooms and 2 additional baths. The Crestwood floor plan can also be upgraded with an optional media room. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about this Crestwood floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.